Hello, and welcome here, or welcome back. Well, you know, an ongoing theme of this channel is trying to find new interesting places to go. And you know, I scour the internet. I dig deep, trying to find nice places to go to. And I found a blog post from around 2003 or so of some people that went to an abandoned factory in Sackville, New Brunswick. And with a little bit of digging, a little bit of deducing, I figured out where that factory is. And so on this winter's day, decided to go down there. Chances are there's not a lot of people hanging around outside, wandering around. So hopefully I won't see anybody. And aside from that, there's also a really neat abandoned bridge in Sackville, New Brunswick. The remains of an old car bridge. So I'm gonna go check that out. And I hope you'll come along. But again, I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking on this video. This is just nice. It's chill. I hope you enjoy. So thanks a lot for checking this out. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this, because I really enjoyed making it. You know, come back sometime. Maybe subscribe if you want to. Have a great evening.